For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a cookie business can be a rewarding and profitable venture if you approach it with the right tools and strategy. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, offers many free resources that can help you plan, market, and grow your cookie business effectively without needing a big budget. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to launch your cookie business using free AI tools, helping you create a business plan, develop recipes, design branding, and promote your products. Whether you're baking as a hobby or aiming for a full-scale business, AI can be your smart assistant along the way. Step 1. Define your business idea and goals. Before you start baking, clarify what kind of cookie business you want to build. Will you sell classic cookies, vegan or gluten-free options, gourmet flavors, or seasonal specialties? Who is your target market? Local customers, online buyers, or wholesale clients? What are your short-term and long-term goals for revenue, scale, and brand presence? To help organize these ideas, use ChatGPT or similar AI chatbots. You can prompt it with, "Help me create a business idea summary for a cookie business that sells homemade vegan and gluten-free cookies online targeting health-conscious customers." The AI will help you draft a clear concept and business objectives to guide your next steps. Step 2. Create a detailed business plan. A solid business plan outlines your product offerings, target market, pricing strategy, operations, marketing plan, and financial projections. Writing a business plan can be daunting, but free AI tools can generate templates and draft plans quickly. Use ChatGPT to generate a cookie business plan by asking, "Generate a detailed business plan for a small cookie bakery focused on selling gourmet and healthy cookies online, including sections on market analysis, operations, marketing, and financials." You can customize the draft to fit your vision and add specific numbers or local market research. This plan will also be useful if you need funding or partners. Step 3. Develop and test your recipes. Your cookie recipes are the heart of your business. To create unique, delicious cookies, you can leverage AI-powered recipe generators and nutritional analyzers. Use free AI recipe generators such as IBM's Chef Watson or similar tools to experiment with ingredient combinations. Prompt example. Suggest creative cookie recipes using almond flour, coconut sugar, and dark chocolate that are vegan and gluten-free. Once you have recipes, test them in your kitchen, tweak for taste and texture, and consider customer feedback. You can also use AI nutritional analysis tools like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer to calculate calories and ingredient health benefits, which you can feature on your packaging or website. Step 4. Build your brand identity. A strong brand makes your cookie business memorable and trustworthy. AI tools can assist with logo design, color schemes, and brand messaging, even if you lack graphic design skills. Use AI design platforms like Canva's free version or Loca's free logo maker. You can prompt AI by entering your business name and preferred style to get logo options. For example, type, "Create a logo for a healthy cookie brand called Pure Bite with a natural, clean look." For brand messaging, use ChatGPT to draft a mission statement and taglines. Try prompts such as, "Write a catchy tagline for a cookie company focused on healthy, vegan snacks." Draft a mission statement for an eco-friendly cookie bakery. Step 5. Set up your online presence. Most successful cookie businesses today have an online presence. You can build a simple website, set up social media profiles, and use AI tools to create engaging content. Website builders like Wix or WordPress offer free tiers and integrate AI-powered templates to help you build a professional website easily. For content creation, use ChatGPT to draft website copy, product descriptions, and FAQs. Example prompts. Write a homepage introduction for a vegan cookie business called Pure Bite. Create product descriptions for 3 cookie flavors: Almond Joy, Double Chocolate, and Cinnamon Spice. For social media content, You can use AI tools like Later or Buffer's free versions to schedule posts. Generate ideas with ChatGPT by asking. Suggest 10 social media post ideas for promoting a new cookie business. Step 6. Plan your marketing strategy. Marketing is essential to get your cookies in front of customers. AI tools can help you design marketing plans and campaigns tailored to your target audience. Ask ChatGPT to generate a marketing plan using this prompt. Create a 3-month digital marketing plan for a small cookie business targeting young adults who prefer healthy snacks. For email marketing, use free platforms like MailChimp, which include AI features for subject line optimization and performance analytics. For ads, tools like Google Ads offer keyword planners powered by AI to help you find the best terms to target online customers. Step 7. Manage operations and sales. To keep your business running smoothly, you need to track inventory, orders, and customer information. AI-driven spreadsheet templates and free CRM, customer relationship management, tools can simplify this. Google Sheets, combined with AI add-ons like Google's Smart Fill and Smart Cleanup, can automate data entry and organization. You can create prompts in ChatGPT for spreadsheet formulas or organization ideas, such as suggest an inventory tracking spreadsheet template for a small cookie business. For customer communication and sales, free CRM tools like HubSpot CRM include AI features to manage contacts, send automated follow-ups, and analyze customer behavior. Step 8. Analyze and improve your business. Data analysis is key to understanding what works and where to improve. Use free AI tools to analyze sales trends, customer reviews, and marketing effectiveness. Google Analytics, free version, uses AI to generate insights about your website visitors and behavior. ChatGPT can help interpret this data or suggest improvements if you provide the data summary. For example, analyze this website traffic data, paste data, and suggest ways to increase cookie sales. You can also use sentiment analysis tools, like Monkeylearn's free tier, to analyze customer reviews and feedback to improve product quality and service. Conclusion. Starting a cookie business with the help of free AI tools is a practical and accessible way to turn your baking passion into a profitable venture. AI can assist you at every stage, from business planning and recipe development to branding, marketing, and operations management, helping you work smarter and faster without needing expensive consultants or software. By following these steps and leveraging AI's capabilities, you can create a distinctive cookie brand that attracts customers and grows steadily in today's competitive market. Embrace AI as your virtual business partner and enjoy the sweet journey ahead. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.